Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we have a very special treat for y'all. We're going to be working on one of our regular clients. This is a TBN 850, and it's been a little bit since we did the bright work. And also we're going to lay another coat of wax on here after we get all this stuff cleaned up off of it. So I'm going to let you see a before here. We're going to clean this up, and as you can see, this aluminum is just in need of a little bit of brightening and a little bit of refinishing. So we're going to recolor it and add the luster back into it. And then when it comes to here, we'll take care of this. And this is the before. This plane is used quite a bit. It's used almost on a daily basis. It goes all over the place. So from South America to you name it. And so it gets used. It doesn't just sit in a hangar. So it does get used. So when I come back over here, this is where let's see some of the soot and some of the carbon that's on here. We're going to get that off, of course, and you can see it all the way down the aircraft. But it's going to turn out nice. I'm going to put a light polish on it and to it, and I'm going to also maybe strip and reseal the boots here. We'll see that once we get into it. So anyway, this of course is the before. And we'll see you on the after. All right, so just got finished working on TBN 850. The results, of course, are always exquisite. And be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. And if you're interested in having any detailing services provided for you, your business, or government entities, please contact us at 800-292-2341. That's 1-800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. And without further ado, I'm going to show you the results here.